In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a campaign in Moosend. If you've ever cleaned up an account or removed outdated marketing efforts, this will feel familiar. We'll walk through the process carefully so you know exactly what to expect, and you can do it confidently without worrying about removing the wrong item. First, head to Campaigns. This is the central place in Moosend where all your email campaigns live, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or completed. Opening the Campaigns area ensures you can see the full list and work from a clear overview. Next, find the campaign you want to delete. Take a moment here to verify you've selected the correct one. Check the campaign name, the status, and any identifying details like the subject or the date it was created. If multiple versions have similar names, slow down and confirm you're choosing the exact campaign you intend to remove. Remember, deleting is typically permanent, so it's worth double checking before moving forward. When you've found it, look for the three dots, sometimes shown as a vertical menu icon, or an options button next to that campaign. This is where Moosend houses actions like editing, duplicating, and deleting. If you don't immediately see the icon, it's usually on the right-hand side of the campaign row. On smaller screens, it may be tucked into a compact menu, but it will be there. Go ahead and select Delete from that menu. Choosing Delete will trigger a prompt to make sure you truly intend to remove the campaign. This is a safeguard against accidental clicks, and a good chance to take one last look at what you're deleting. Finally, confirm. When the confirmation message appears, read it, and if everything looks correct, confirm your decision. After you confirm, the campaign will be removed from your campaigns list. You should notice it disappear right away. If you still see it momentarily, give the page a second to update. The system may need a moment to reflect the change. A few quick notes to keep you informed. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the required permissions in your Moosend account. In that case, a team member with the right access will need to handle deletion. Also, once a campaign is deleted, it's generally not recoverable, so always make sure you're deleting the correct one. That's it. You've learned how to delete a campaign in Moosend safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to keep your campaigns list clean and organized.